Hey guys, this is Steph from Daz again, and I'm going to walk you through how to leverage the Puppeteer function in Daz Studio. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through how we're going to animate a ballet routine using Puppeteer in different poses. Specifically, we are going to discuss 1, how to animate leveraging the Puppeteer tool. 2, how to add several poses and create nodes in the canvas pane. And 3, scrolling through the animation to ensure it is set up to your liking. Okay, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Genesis 8 character in your scene, and let's also make sure that we have some ballet poses open in our Smart Content tab in the left-hand corner. Now let's find a nice prep pose for our animation. I'm going to select ballet pose number 23. Double-click to apply the pose. I want to base her animation off her left foot, and to ensure it stays in position throughout, I'm going to move her left foot to the 0 axis. This will be helpful later on, I promise. Now, let's select on the Puppeteer tab on the left-hand side and click Edit. Now, click on the canvas to make a node. Okay, now let's go back to our poses. And next, I want to find a nice open position. I'm going to select Ballet 15. Perfect. I think that's looking really nice. As you can see, she moved a bit. So I'm just going to move her foot back to the 0 position. Now let's go back to the Puppeteer tab and make our next node. Then go back to Smart Content and let's find something that is even more open and expressive. I'm going to select Ballet number 9. And again, let's move her back to the 0 position. Go back to the Puppeteer and make another node. And let's find a nice finishing position with her left foot down. I'm picking Ballet 20. You know the drill, move her back to 0 axis and make our last node in the Puppeteer tab. So now, go to the top of the canvas pane and click Preview. Let's take a look at our animation so far. Start at the first node and drag your mouse to the following nodes to see how she animates. I think this is looking good. Let's cycle through the animation a bit. We see that her right leg is going to clip through her left leg. So let's correct that. I'm going to find the middle position on the canvas, and then I'm going to grab her foot and drag it over to the side. Then I'm going to go back to edit mode and create another node. And let's cycle through to make sure we fixed it. Yep, now her left leg is going to go out and not clip. Now let's record. Click on the record label at the top of the canvas pane. So if we click and drag on our canvas, it's going to make these keyframes down in our timeline. I'm going to cycle through the animation twice just to make sure we like how it came out. I think this is looking awesome. As you can see, it's pretty easy to create a nice looking animation leveraging the Puppeteer function and a few poses. Okay, that's a wrap. Thanks for listening.